Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to copy and paste clip attributes in DaVinci Resolve for faster editing. Okay, so let's say you have two clips right here, the first one and the second one. They look like pretty same. Now let's say we want to edit it like, I don't know, give it a little bit of zoom, maybe rotate it, just let you know you can do whatever you want. So this one is edited now, and this is still the same. But now the question is, what do we have to do to copy the edits made here and paste them over here? What you want to do is press Command C and then go on the other clip, click it, and press Option V on Mac or Alt V on Windows. Like this, until this pops up, and here you can choose what to copy. If you want to copy everything of the video, just hit this button. Of course, you can just do it like this too. Depends on what you want to get copied. Then just hit apply, let's say like this, and now you can see it's all the same. Okay, that was a little hack on how to copy and paste clip attributes in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.